Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Intercom from your website UI elements, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Intercom from your website UI elements, begin by logging in to your Intercom account. Navigate to the settings section, typically found in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Locate the installation or web option in the settings menu. Click on installation to access the existing integration details. Identify the type of installation you have set up, whether it be via JavaScript or a tag manager. If you use JavaScript, go to your website's source code. Find the Intercom script, which typically starts with script and contains references to Intercom. Once you locate the script, carefully delete it from the source code. If you utilized a tag manager like Google Tag Manager, access your Tag Manager account. Locate the specific tag associated with Intercom. Delete the Intercom tag from your tag manager. Make sure to check for any additional scripts or integrations that may be related to Intercom. Next, clear your browser cache or check your website in incognito mode to see if the Intercom widget has been removed. After confirming that the widget is gone, proceed to deactivate your Intercom account if it is no longer needed. Log into your Intercom account one last time and navigate to the account settings. Choose the option to deactivate your account, following the prompts provided. Confirm the deactivation to complete the uninstall process from your website. Finally, check your website once more to ensure that all Intercom elements are completely removed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.